Practice. I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, let's look at the first. Any suggestion? So what will happen to the left side? Combine. Okay. So this becomes log. So that's allowed because it's the same base 3. What will happen to 2 and x plus 4? Okay, but let's show it first by the product rule. 2 times x plus 4. Okay, equals. What about 2 log base 3x? Two log base 3 of x raised to 2. Were you able to follow? Why do we need to write the 2 as an exponent of x? Okay, because the rule says log equals a log. It didn't say log equals to some number and then log. Right? So then we go back to the idea, what will happen next? Once we have log 3 equals to a log 3 or base 3, how do you relate 2 times x plus 4 and x squared? 2 times x plus 4 is equal to x squared. And then we just solve. 2x plus 8 is equal to x squared. Then make one side equal to 0. That's x squared minus 2x minus 8. And then factor x and x, 4 and 2 minus n plus x equals 4, x equals negative 2. Then again, these are initial solutions. We have to check some conditions. X plus 4. X plus 4 must be greater than 0, means x must be greater than negative 4. X must be greater than 0. So this is shorter than x greater than negative 4. In negative 4, it is allowed to use negative 2, negative 3. Okay, but for x greater than 0, it says all x must be positive. And then if we look at the solutions, initial solutions, one of them is a negative number. So we should accept only x equals 4. Okay? So you can write your solution as a set, and that's just the number 4.